Hi! Welcome to our first video discussion in Data Analytics. My name is Rena and I will be your Data Analytics instructor for this semester. In this video, we are going to learn all about the DIKW Pyramid. So if you're ready, let's start. Okay, so ano yung DIKW Pyramid at ano yung meaning ng D, I, K at W dun sa acronym natin? So the base of our pyramid is the data. For the next layer, we have the information, followed by knowledge, and finally, at the top of our pyramid, we have wisdom. Please take note that these are arranged from the least valuable data to the most valuable wisdom. First, let's talk about data. So, data is the foundation of data analytics. Kung wala ka kasing data, hindi ka magkakaroon ng information, tapos hindi ka magiging ng knowledge, and most likely, hindi ka rin makakagawa ng wise decisions. When we say data, these are raw or unorganized facts with no specific meaning. Numbers lang sila, measurements, characters, or labels na hindi pa well-defined. So, walang explanation. Okay, doon naman tayo sa information. If you already have the data, just add context, you will have meaningful and relevant information. Okay? So, information or process data for context and understanding. We are going to have an example later on. Okay, dun muna tayo sa knowledge. So, for knowledge, since you already have information, add subject, you will get knowledge. I-state natin yung observations natin. Pag sinabing knowledge, these are information with added opinion, skills, or experience. And this is essential in decision making. Next, now that we already have knowledge regarding the subject, if in case we encounter a new problem, we can be certain kung ano ang best na action. Knowledge plus action, defined yan as wisdom. Now you might ask, why do I have to go through all this trouble? Kailangan ko mag-collect ng data, kailangan kong bigyan ng context para maging information, tapos mag-a-analyze pa ako, para mag-gain ako ng knowledge, and finally, bakit kailangan ko ng wisdom? Mahalaga yan, promise. Beneficial yan sa'yo, and in fact, mahalaga yan sa lahat ng sciences. To give you a proof that it is indeed important, let's look at this example. Fast forward tayo into your future. Say for example, you are already working in the hospitality or tourism industry, and your aim is to improve your business or company revenue. Ano yung gagawin mo? Hindi naman pwede na basta-basta ka na lang gumawa ng action, diba? So, you have to collect data first. You have to interpret it or you have to analyze it. And then, state your observation. You have to gain knowledge. And then, pag natapos mo na yan, yung mga yan, saka ka palang makakagawa ng wise na desisyon. Okay, dun tayo sa first level. Ang ginawa mo, nag-collect ka ng data, ng existing data from your company or business. And ito yung nakuha mo from your record. Halimbawa, hindi ikaw yung hindi ikaw yung in charge dun sa record keeping, pero ikaw yung in charge dun sa planning. Tapos ito yung binigay sa'yo. On the first column, you have the characters R, E, and S. On the second column, numbers lang siya. And on the third column, numbers ulit. Pero, if we are going to look at the third column, parang ang may isip natin kaagad, this has something to do with money. Diba? Kasi 25,000, 18,000, and 10,000. So, to give it more meaning and to make it relevant, let's add context. Again, you are in the hospitality and tourism business and you want to analyze your market demographic and behavior to further improve your business. Ito pala yung ibig sabihin ng data na nakolekta mo before. The first column ay employment status. So, you have 3 groups. Grupo ng mga retired. Pangalawa, grupo ng employed. And pangatlo, grupo ng mga estudyante. Tapos yung second column mo, number of guests. Say for example, hindi ko lang naisulat dito, but this figures 122, 75, and 51 are the number of guests during the first quarter of your business. So, during the first quarter, you had 120 guests na retired, 275 na employed, and finally, 51 na students. And for the third column, ayan, pera nga siya, money nga siya. So, this is the average cost of a 24-hour stay. So, kada isang retired individual, gumagastos sila ng about, hindi ko sinabi exactly ha, about 25,000 pesos. Tapos yung mga employed naman, on average, they spend about 18,000 pesos. And finally, yung mga students, 10,000 pesos. Okay? Now, na may meaningful information na tayo, let's analyze. Ano yung observation natin? From the information given below, we can already tell that your biggest market are the employed individuals. However, yung mga retired individuals, they give you the highest revenue because they has the highest spending cost. And also, yung student demographic mo appears to be the group with the least interest in your business. So, meron ka tatlong observation. Kung meron man ako hindi na isulat dito tas may na-observe kayo, mag-comment kayo below. Okay? Para mag-lead tayo into another discussion. Okay, now that we are already knowledgeable about the behavior and characteristic of our market, we can use that knowledge in deciding what to do to help our business. Okay, target natin na ma-improve yung revenue ng business. Ano yung gagawin nating action? Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, hindi pwede na basta-basta ka na lang nagdedesisyon, di ba? Dapat based yan on your previous experiences or based dun sa existing na scenario. So, based on your findings below, kung gusto mo mapa-unlad pa yung business mo, you have to make sure that your biggest market, the employed individuals, will remain interested in your business. Kasi if they lose interest in your business, ang laki nang mawawala sa business mo. Kasi sila yung pinakang marami ang number ng guests on your first quarter. So, possibly, mag-decrease yung revenue mo if they lose interest. Now, for number 2, you can also focus on adding more services that will appeal to the retired population since their spending cost is the highest among the 3. Okay? So, kung gusto mo na mas lumaki yung kita ng company mo, kailangan mas maakit mo yung mga retired individuals. Yung 120 na yan, dapat mas dumami sila for the next quarter. Next, number 3. You can make your business more student-friendly kasi we cannot disregard the idea na yung quantity nagko-contribute din yan sa revenue, diba? Even though they contribute the least or they spend the least, if you can increase their number, it can also mean additional revenue, right? Okay. So, C, data analytics is beneficial to all sciences, even in your field, hospitality and tourism. Okay? So, final note na tayo. Please take note then that the bottom 3 are focused in the past. So, dun sa discussion at example natin kanina, yung data galing sa past, yung information ay galing sa past, yung knowledge ay galing sa past. So, backward-looking sila. Pero, ang wisdom, forward-looking yan. So, ang focus niyan ay nasa future. Helpful yan for finding optimal solutions to given problems. Okay? Okay. So, this is the end of our discussion on DIKW Pyramid. Again, my name is Rena and thank you very much for listening. See you next time. Bye!